Namaskar. Today's topic is the Right to Information Act, which is simply known as RTI Act 2005, is a landmark legislation in India aimed at promoting transparency and accountability in governance. The Act empowers citizens to request information from public authorities, thereby strengthening democracy and curbing corruption. It has been found that due to Right to Information Act, there has been lot of curbing in corruption. Now, what is the universal right of the person? Every Indian citizen has the right to request information from any public authority subject to certain exemptions. It is not that you will give an application and every information will be given. No. Only those informations can be given which are permitted under the Act. Information regarding some national security cannot be given. Now we'll come to the broad coverage. The Act applies to all government departments, ministries, public sector undertakings, and NGOs that are substantially funded by the government across both central and state levels. Intelligence and security organizations are largely exempted in the national interest. Now, how to secure the information? The process is very simple. You have to give a simple application. Citizen can file RTI application both physically and electronically, accompanied by a nominal fee. Generally, the fee is to be submitted by way of demand draft, postal order, or a check. Normally, it is rupees 10 per application, and you have to give expenses of rupees 2 for photocopies. There is a time-bound response in the Act. Public authorities are mandated to proactively publish certain categories of information at regular intervals, improving access without a specific request. It means that all the authorities are supposed to have their websites so that maximum information is given on the website and there is no need to give any application or to seek any requisite information. Then there are also provisions of appeals and penalties. A two-tier mechanism exists for appeals. If a citizen is dissatisfied with the response, penalties can be imposed on officials for delays or for providing incorrect or misleading information. Now I'll discuss some of the important provisions related to Right to Information Act. The key sections of the RTI Act defines the scope, procedures, rights, responsibilities, and exemptions related to access to information from public authorities in India. Major sections of RTI Act 2005. Section 2 gives the definitions. You will find that in every act, Section 2 defines the main terms which are used in the act. Similarly, in Right to Information Act, like defines information, then right to information, records, and so on. Section 3 deals with right to information. It says all Indian citizens have the right to information subject to the provisions of the Act. That means it is not that you have the right to get all information. Some of the informations may not be given by the public authorities if they are of such sensitive nature. Section 4 deals with the obligations of public authorities. It mandates the maintenance and proactive disclosure of information by public authorities such as organizational structure, functions, decision-making procedures, and financial details. Authorities must routinely publish key categories of information to minimize the need of direct request. As I said earlier, that all the organizations must have website and they must put on the important information regarding the organization on that website so that the pressure of RTI applications are minimized. Section 5 deals with the appointment of public information officers, PIOs. It says every organization requires each public authority to appoint public information officers and assistant public information officers to process applications and assist citizens. Section 6 deals with requests for obtaining information. It describes the application procedure for citizens to request information from public authorities. Section 7 deals with disposal of requests. It prescribes the time limit by providing information 30 days for ordinary cases and 48 hours if information concerns life or liberty of the person. Section 8 deals with exemptions from disclosures. It lists categories of information exempted from disclosure such as those affecting national security, commercial confidence, personal privacy, or court forbidden materials. Section 9 deals with the grounds for rejections. It allows rejection of requests if they would involve infringement of copyright, among other grounds. Section 19 deals with the appeals. It provides for a two-stage appeal process.